the new drag and drive project. 64 F-85 Cutlass with the deluxe interior. Thinking of nicknames right now, but drove the car from Nevada. Did all right, but right now it's a 330 two-barrel cruiser. Been daily driving it for about a year now. Just finally decided to introduce it to the channel. We're gonna stick a B-headed 455 in it. Looking to run low 12s, high 11s. Good bracket car. Something for my cousin to get his feet wet or get him hooked. Check out the bullet. Nothing crazy. For now, we're all stock, but we're looking to stick the rear end soon. Maybe a 390 or 411 gear, something like that. But it's a pretty clean piece. Body's fairly straight. And yeah, we're looking to have some fun with this deal. Go ahead and show you guys the motor we're gonna put in it next. There goes the B-headed 455. It's going in the 4-door. I believe we ran a best of like low 12, can't really remember, but the goals for the car is probably, you know, high 11s, low 12s. Should be fun. I believe it's got an Offie intake, Portasonic, hydraulic roller, 11-to-1 compression. Should be fun because it's definitely gonna have a good time.